I'm here to guide you how you can change the app text language in your Wetv app. So for that you have to follow this simple step. First of all, you have to launch the Wetv app on your device. Once you have launched and open up the Wetv app, you have to make sure that you have a login to your account. On the bottom there you can see the profile icon, just go for that, and here you can see that you have been already logged into your account. So if you want to change app text or language in your Wetv app, you have to just go for the setting and click on your setting. And here you can see the language option, you have to click on the language. And here you can see that you can select the language that you want to change here. So just go for this if you want to change this. So with the help of this simple step, you can easily change the app text and language in your Wetv app. That's it for today. If you like this video, please hit that like button and subscribe for more. I will see you in the next one. Thank you.